ABT presents A1 Level Conversations. Who am I? A self-introduction.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa, and it's really nice to meet you all. First of all, I am a student, and I am 22 years old. I am originally from Spain, but right now I am living in a very big and beautiful city. I love it here because it is so nice, and there are many things to do. My best friend is Anna. She is from Italy. Anna is also 23 years old, and she is a teacher, not a student. She teaches English, and she is very good at it. We are very close friends. We are often together, and we are always happy when we are with each other. My parents are at home in Spain. They are happy too. My father is a doctor, and he is a very busy person. My mother is a writer. She is very creative, and she loves her job. They are not tired from their work. Actually, I am the one who is tired after class, but it's a good kind of tired. My class is in the morning and it is a really long class, but I am still happy. My friend Anna is here with me right now. We are in a small, cozy cafe. It is a nice cafe with comfortable chairs, and the coffee is very good. We are happy here because it is a calm and relaxing place. My family is happy at home, and I am happy here with my friend. We are all good, and that is what is most important.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.